You're sitting on your couch, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You should be subscribed here. So just be like Nike. Just do it. Just do it. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome on back. So today's look is a part of my new Hello Fall series. As you all know, I do not really care for fall like that. One, because it gets dark at like 5 o'clock. And I'm a May baby, so the hotter the better. And it's about to get cold. And I just realized like my wardrobe is gonna need a complete makeover. But it's cool, it's cool. So to keep me in good spirits, I'm gonna be taking some of my favorite palettes, some new drops, some OG favorites of mine. And we're just gonna be creating some fall inspired looks. So you know, you've been warned, so I'm about to flood your timeline. But yes, this is one of the looks that I created today. So if you are interested in seeing the look that I created, y'all, just keep on watching. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and dip into, I wanna say, let's do cherry on top while my base is still a little damp. And I don't care if it's precise or not. I'm really just trying to lay everything onto my eyelid, and I can blend out the rest later. It looks cray right now, I know, but trust me, I'll fix it. Okay, I can get with that right now. And then next I'm just going to take Cola Float, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease and just kind of buff out the cherry on top color and see what happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this blue raspberry. It is definitely a shimmer shade, I don't care, and I'm just going to put that on to my outer corner and just see kind of what happens. You know, I have no plans here. I'm just playing at this point. You know, just to be on the safe side, since I don't know this palette like that, let me get some translucent powder, you know, just in case we have a little fallout problem. Okay, I can dig it. I can dig it. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go back in with that Coca-Cola or Cola Float or whatever the name is, and I'm just gonna buff out any harsh lines, just make sure everything is seamless. All right, and now that I feel good about my cut crease, I'm just gonna take the color Cherry Cola and work away until I feel good about it. And I kind of like to lay my base a little, just kind of all over the place. No real precision per se. I just kind of want to make sure that the concealer is all the way covered, because once I do that, then I can go in and do my little extra work to make sure it's precise. Alright, so now that my eyes are kind of looking like they need to look, I can go in and work out the details. So I'm just going to take my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to spritz my brush and just fill in some more lines. You actually got to work at this pigment. Like, it's a pretty color though, but man, do you have to work. Like, I mean, like dang near poke your eye out trying to pat this in. But hey, you know, that's where they coined the saying, beauty is pain. Okay, all right. So before I get ahead of myself, let me go ahead and finish out the rest of my face for real, and then we can go ahead and add a little extra details to my eyes here in a second. So I'm gonna be right back, okay? She's back. I looked in the monitor and was like, dang girl, and you're not even finished. But yeah, I went off camera, went on ahead and threw on some lashes, eyeliner, mascara, all that. Make sure my face was nice and bronzed, all one nice chiseled feature, you know what I'm saying? So for highlighter, excuse me, where's my highlighter? See, somebody done been in my room. Okay, so for highlighter, I am going to be using my oldie but goodie, my Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm just going to be using the color White Sand and Sunray. Mix those two together, see what happens, you know. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. For my under eye, what I think that I'm going to do is I'm going to take, and we're just going to see how it works. I got this new Japanese little detail brush, so we're gonna see how detailed it is. And I'm just gonna take this color Grape Pop and just kind of brush it under my lower lash line and just see what happens. I feel like it look cute, but who knows. It's a lot of fallout, I can tell you that. That's one of those little dusty colors. Okay, all right. And then last but certainly not least, somebody been in my room. You know how you put stuff back somewhere and like you look at it or you look for something and you like, something's not right? Like, that's what I'm feeling right now. But it's cool. Not really, but I'm gonna deal with it. Anywho, what I'm gonna do for my inner corner, if I can find the right brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this color. This is a really cute color. It's called Soda Fizz. I've already kind of played in it just to see if I liked it. It's this color right here. So I'm just gonna go in and just see what happens. You know, hopefully there's not too much fallout, but whatever. All right, now we can set everything in place. So I'm just gonna be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just spritz away till I feel good about it. I like it. And I'm trying not to make any sudden movements. I don't want anything to crease. I don't want anything to crack. I don't want anything to look busted. So just gonna wait a second. All right, while my forehead is still drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my look with my lips. So I'm just gonna be taking my MAC lip pencil from the Patrick Starr's original collection in the color Mahogany, and I'm just gonna line my lips. All right, and then for the actual lipstick, I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Seductress, or number 65 if you like numbers. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look. If you like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you're sitting on your couch, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You should be subscribed here. So just be like Nike. Just do it. Just do it. I play way too much, but whatever. But make sure that you are checking out my other social media accounts as well. I got jokes for days over there too. But yeah, y'all, that is all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember, until my next upload, to be kind and be you.